Capital One, cracks in the credit card facade? Ever felt like credit card companies whisper sweet nothings in your ear, promising financial freedom but delivering a different reality? Yeah, me too. Today, we're taking a critical look at Capital One, a financial giant known for its quirky marketing and, well, a whole lot of credit cards. But before you hit that unsubscribe button assuming this is a sponsored takedown, hear me out. Because while Capital One offers undeniable convenience and some attractive products, there's a flip side to the coin. So, let's crack open the not-so-rosy aspects of banking with Capital One. Fees, a sticky situation. First up, fees. We all know financial institutions love them, and Capital One is no exception. While they boast some fee-free accounts, ditch the free and explore their rewards programs, and, surprise, fees start popping up like weeds. Annual fees for premium cards can range from $95 to a whopping $395. Now, some might argue the rewards justify the cost. But here's the thing, maxing out those rewards often requires exorbitant spending most of us can't realistically manage. Let's be honest, who casually drops $10,000 on groceries every quarter to snag that travel voucher? Then there are foreign transaction fees. Travelers, beware. Capital One hits you with a 3% foreign transaction fee, a sneaky charge that can eat into your travel budget faster than you can say jet lag. Interest rates, the millstone around your neck. Okay, fees are annoying, but interest rates? That's where things get serious. Capital One's APRs, annual percentage rates, can be brutal, ranging from a seemingly reasonable 14.99% to a gut-wrenching 26.99%. Miss a payment or two, and bam! You're swimming in a sea of high-interest debt. Suddenly, that impulse buy you financed with their oh-so-convenient credit card feels a lot less cute. Credit card churning, a risky game. Capital One is notorious for being aggressive with credit card offers. You might find yourself bombarded with pre-approved applications, tempting you to sign up for multiple cards to rack up rewards. This tactic, known as credit card churning, can be a risky strategy. See, every time you apply for a new line of credit, it takes a hit on your credit score. Multiple inquiries within a short period can make you look credit hungry, potentially harming your score and hindering your ability to secure loans with favorable rates down the line. Customer service, a coin toss. Customer service experiences can vary wildly depending on who you talk to and the complexity of your issue. Online reviews paint a mixed picture, with some praising Capital One's helpful representatives and others fuming over long wait times and unhelpful interactions. Limited branch network, banking on convenience? Capital One operates primarily as an online bank with a limited physical branch network. While their digital platform is user-friendly, those who prefer face-to-face interaction might find themselves frustrated. Need to resolve a complex issue or deposit a hefty check? Get ready for a potential online maze or a long drive to the nearest branch. Is Capital One right for you? So, is Capital One all bad? Not necessarily. They offer convenient online banking, some attractive products, and might be a good fit for those with excellent credit who can manage rewards programs strategically. But, and this is a big but, be mindful of the fees, especially those sneaky foreign transaction fees. Do the math on interest rates, and for the love of your credit score, resist the urge to churn cards like nobody's business. Ultimately, the decision depends on your financial goals and banking preferences. Do your research, compare options, and don't be afraid to walk away if Capital One doesn't quite fit the bill. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.